10 years. 10 years of friendship before it became love, and now it's over. If you ever rooted for a couple so hard it felt personal, this is that story. IU and Lee Jun-sung didn't just date. They built one of the most beautiful love stories in Korean entertainment. And on July 2026, it ended. Stick around because the way this relationship started is honestly wilder than most K-dramas. We are talking a decade of near misses, hidden feelings, and one day some speech that broke the internet. So let's get into it. Let's be real, this was not a love at first sight situation. In 2012, IU and Lee Jun-sung became co-hosts on SBS Inkigayo, a music show, and their chemistry was a bit awkward at first. IU had already been hosting for over a year when Lee Jun-sung joined her. Rumors swirled and they didn't even get along, and honestly, for a while that rumor wasn't far off. But here's the twist, by the time Jun-sung was leaving the show, something had changed in him. Jun-suk later revealed something while as he was wrapping up his time at Inkigayo. He felt genuinely upset about leaving. His words, he had grown some affection towards her. Let that sink in. This is 2013. Nobody knew it yet. Not even IU. That co-hosting gig turned into something way bigger than a work assignment. It turned into one of the most talked about friendships in the industry. Jun-suk started calling her close friend in interviews. A decade-long bond was quietly beginning. In that friendship, it showed up everywhere over the years. Both won Prime Minister's Award at the same ceremony in 2015. Fans spotted Jun-suk showing up at IU's concert in 2017, reportedly rushing straight from the airport after landing from Japan just to catch a show. Sounds like a supportive friend, right? Keep that in mind because you're about to get a lot less response. After his 2019 drama Romance is a Bonus Book, Jun-suk stepped away for 2 years for his mandatory military service. Meanwhile, IU was on an absolute career tear. Hotel de Luna, the Love Poem EP, the Lilac album, a collab with Suga from BTS, she was everywhere. When Jun-suk got discharged in January 2021, fans noticed something small but telling. He kept posting about her music, screenshots of himself listening to her songs. At that time, nobody thought twice about it. Just a guy supporting his friend's comeback. But once the truth came out, fans went back, reread every single one of those posts like they were love letters. Okay, this is where it gets good. September 2022, Jun-suk holds a fan meeting and surprises everyone by performing IU's 2014 song, Meaning for You. Sweet gesture between friends, right? Sure, until you know what's coming. Days later, he shows up to IU's The Golden Hour concert, the show where she becomes the first Korean female solo artist to headline Seoul Olympic Stadium. Massive moment for her, and he's there for her. Then October hits. IU performs at Jun-suk's younger brother's wedding, and fans shot videos catching something extra. Jun-suk personally escorting her out of the venue afterward. Small moment, huge internet frenzy. But nothing prepared anyone for December 30, 2022. Jun-suk wins the Daesang, the biggest prize at the MBC Drama Awards for Big Mouth. And in his speech he says this, "There was a person who helped me think positively. I want to say that I liked you a lot for a long time and I respect you so much. No name, just a special person. The internet did not sleep that night." One day later, December 31st, 2022, Dispatch, Korea's go-to celebrity scoop outlet, drops the report everyone's been waiting for. IU and Lee Jun-suk are dating. Both agents confirm it almost immediately, and their fan letters genuinely touching. IU called him someone who supported her for a long time, someone she was relying on. Jun-suk described her as a strange existence who always took up a corner of my heart, and confirmed that the mystery Daesang speech really was about her all along. 4 years of dating followed. 4 years of one of K Entertainment's most low-key, respected couples. And then July 2026, both agencies, EDAN Entertainment and ACE Factory, confirmed the breakup. Here's the part that actually matters though. Both sides say they are staying good colleagues, no drama, no messy public fallout, just two people who share a decade of history choosing to close this chapter with respect. Okay, what's next for both of them career-wise? IU's recent major K-drama was Perfect Crown, an NBC romance set in an alternate constitutional monarchy. She starred opposite Byung Won-suk, and it was released on April 26. This was her major project, and also has plans for music video with Hyo Nam-joo. Meanwhile, Lee Jun-suk is heading into the Remarried Empress K-drama on Disney+, and there's more. He's also been linked to potential future projects like Ice of Romance and possibly Paradise. This breakup is hitting different because their relationship never felt manufactured. It was not a flashy show this couple built for headlines. It was two awkward co-hosts who slowly, quietly became each other's person over 10 years. And that's honestly the most K-drama part of this whole thing. The slow burn, the unspoken feelings, the moment it all clicks. Except this wasn't a script, this was real life. And real life doesn't always give you the ending you want. So here's the takeaway. IU and Lee Jun-suk's story proves something we already knew deep down. The best love stories aren't rushed. Theirs took 10 years to become official. Now some reports floated the idea that busy schedules played a role of one of them cheating with the other. But that was never confirmed, so let's not run with that now. The important thing is, even in the breakup, they handled it with respect. No dragging each other through the mud, just two people choosing peace. If this story hit you right in the feels, and let's be honest, it probably did, hit that subscribe button right now. Because we cover every K-drama headline, every celebrity moment, every plot twist you actually care about, right here. Drop a comment and tell me, did you see this breakup coming? Or did it break your heart too? Let's talk about it below. Thanks for all the love. Bye.